So basically I am going to give you 3 P's of customer service. We've got purpose, politeness, and persistence. So here's the first one, purpose. I'm talking about phone-based customer service now in call centers, which is my experience. So basically what you've got is, when someone calls up, they need something solved. They need information, or they need a problem solved, such as something about the product that doesn't work. Maybe something arrived late, maybe a product isn't working properly. So in the first minute or so of your call, what you want to do is find out why they're calling. Someone isn't just calling for a chat, although that sometimes does happen these days. People might want to speak to someone, so you also need to know that they're a person. They do want to have a friendly voice on the other end. At the same time, they have a problem that needs to be solved most of the time. So ask a few questions. You might want to ask what happened? How can I help you? Those open questions are very helpful. So the first one was purpose, and ask questions to find out the purpose of why the customer is calling in. Now, if you work in a call center for 1 or 2 companies, you'll probably have the same kind of things come up. So as you're training and getting used to the role, pick up on, remember what things come up. You'll notice they're there all the time. Basically, you'll get used to figuring out what their inquiry is. What's their problem? That's the purpose of your call. So throughout the call, you want to basically solve their problem. And the other thing is, how do you do that? You do that with passion and politeness. So I just added politeness at the start. So with passion, you're being friendly, you're building a rapport, you want to kind of make them feel good. Now, some calls are very serious because there's a serious problem. Maybe tone it down a bit, talk more seriously. And on most calls, you can still have a bit of friendliness, chit-chat, small talk, and also just maybe a bit of positivity. So politeness, you want to hold that self-control in. You basically want to not react or become angry if the customer pushes back. As you know, you've called a place, there's a problem, they're not helping you how you might want to be helped at first. You might feel frustrated and angry, and working in customer service, you do get people lose their temper at you. So you need to just kind of sit back, have a bit of a barrier around you. You want to keep composed, and that's part of being polite. And when you're saying things, you want to ask questions to clarify what is being said, so you're all clear about what's going on. Okay, the last one is persistence. Basically, throughout the call, you want to be able to keep on going and help the customer. And what some companies actually want you to sell something or upsell or add some value to the experience on the call. You might be working for a bank and they want their customers to learn more about their accounts. So maybe you're told by your manager to ask a question about the type of accounts they like to use, that kind of thing. Now, you might feel very uncomfortable at first about kind of promoting something. So what I suggest is just ask the question, because people are polite themselves and they will be okay with answering a question. Now, I say that they will do that one time. If you ask a second or a third time, they may feel uncomfortable and start pushing back a bit. So I'd say be persistent, just have a boldness, ask the question, they'll be polite, they'll answer it. And if they answer positively, you can move ahead from that with signing up or whatever it is they want you to do. So what we have there is the 3 P's of customer service on the phone. We've got, I'll remember them this time. We've got purpose, why are they calling? Politeness, be positive, be passionate, ask them questions, get to know them, build rapport, be positive, and also persistence. You want to just take the extra mile, go the extra step to help your company achieve its goals, and people are normally okay to answer one question. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you like. My name is Jonathan, and I hope you have a very good day and night. Bye.